How to edit PDF in Microsoft Word. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to give you a step-by-step tutorial. It works best with text-heavy PDFs, and here's how you can do it. So we can open up PDF directly in Microsoft Word. We can start by opening up the Word application, open it up, and once we open up Word, we can just go over that with the option called File. So once we open it up like this, go to File option in the top left, look out for Open, and go ahead and look out for Browse option here. And within Browse, we can just go and select up our PDF file here. For example, let's say this one right here, and click on the option called Open, and open it up this way, and that should open up. You can just go over and look out for it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and save it up. Once it is done, or it will convert your PDF to an editable Word document. The formatting might change. You can click on OK, and we can even save it up. Look out for Save As option and save it as a PDF once again. Apart from that, you can just go over and look out for the option called Export PDF instead. So you can open up PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So you can look out for a PDF file. Let me open up one. For example, let's say this is the one. After that, you can right click on it, select the option for Microsoft Word, open with, and look out for Adobe Acrobat first, and open it up. And once we open it up, just go over and look out for Export as PDF option and select the option for Microsoft Word here, the first option, and it should open up in your Word. So look out for Microsoft Word docx and click on Convert and convert it up. This will keep the formatting better than the direct Word conversion. And images, tables, and multi-column layouts might need a minor adjustments after the conversion. I'll receive a copy of the original PDF before editing, but usually this is how you should be able to easily open up the PDF or edit the PDF in Word. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.